Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures! Beautiful and useful novelties are constantly appearing in the doll's life. A wheelchair, roller skates, and food ice. Let's see how it's done. Let's prepare a piece of thin plastic. With a glue gun, we make 2 even rows of small depressions. We cut out the rectangle. We slightly lubricate the mold with oil and fill it with a thick layer of hot glue. Let's wait until it freezes. We cut out the strip and carefully cut off the cone's ice cubes. We cover the ice mold with blue varnish and put ready-made ice in it. We make miniature silver tweezers out of a strip of plastic. It is more convenient to take ice for doll drinks. We cut the double plastic mold into halves. We cover each part with a colorless varnish and generously sprinkle it with multicolored sequins. We thickly spray small sequins. We shake off the excess. We carefully cut off the side. We smear the glue along the inner edge. We insert a liner made of soft felt and press it well. We cut off half of the second blank and assemble the stroller. We fold 2 toothpicks crosswise and firmly fasten them with a thin wire. We cover the part with a silver varnish. We decorate the stroller with rhinestones. We put on large pearls. We collect the wheels and glue the flowers. We fasten the stroller on a metal frame. We install the wheels and add a handle made of wire. We put a cute baby in the stroller. An LOL doll rolls the stroller and cradles the baby. Very realistic. We draw a figure of a funny bear. We put a thin plastic on top and push the drawing with a metal rod. We carefully cut out along the contour and apply the thickest possible layer of varnish. After drying, we cut off the stick. So many marmalade bears! We put colored candies in a bag. Barbie treats her friend and tries wonderful sweets herself. Delicious! We twist an open work flower from a thin frame. Make sure that all the contours are closed. We carefully cover the petals with yellow varnish. We fill the wire contour with a bright film entirely without gaps. We glue the core and bite off the excess wire. We insert the earrings into the cardboard and fix them with glue droplets at the ends. In the same way, we twist miniature earrings in the form of cute pink hearts. We fill it with varnish and place thin pins. We make earrings in the form of bright blue circles. Barbie, the fashion manager, doesn't know which earrings to try on first. She put yellow flowers on. We bend the arc of the wire. We cover it with pink varnish. We decorate it with a funny butterfly and put a headband on. It is a wonderful decoration for a cool hairstyle. Very summer-like. We put a narrow ball on the doll's leg. We fill the glue gun with a glitter rod. We cover the boot with a thick layer of hot glue. After the glue has solidified, we carefully cut the workpiece and remove it. We shorten the shoe. We paint the sole and the rod of the cotton swab in yellow. We cut off 2 cylinders from the stick and glue them to the sole. We attach a bead on a piece of thick wire, insert it into the cylinder, and attach the second bead. The skates are done! We decorate the skates with a canticle and a pearl clasp. Roller skates are just like real ones. It turns out that Barbie rides great. We punch even rows of holes on a blank made of black foam paper. We carefully cut through 2 narrow strips. We remove everything that is unnecessary. We cover the second part with tape. We connect both parts. We make multicolored mugs from glitter foam paper. We carefully fill the foam with bright shadows and blush. We paint the core of the cotton swab with varnish and bite it off. We make miniature brushes. We glue small pieces of foam rubber to the colored sticks. We add a narrow silver canticle. We put the brushes to the shadows. We make the second palette and fill it with shiny cosmetics. We glue the common housing for both plates. We put the lower level and glue the upper part. We align the edges of the box and close it with a transparent lid. We decorate it with rhinestones. We fasten the handle on a pull-out palette. Done! With this set of cosmetics, you can make any makeup for Barbie. We paint our eyes and lips. We close the box with the palettes and put it on the doll shelf. Do you like it? We put the cylinders from the ampules. On one slice, we make the bottoms of hot glue. We carefully cut off the excess. We compress and carefully seal the second slice. We paint the forms with bright colors. We make round lids, cut off thin tubes, and glue them on top of the finished forms. We paint the caps with varnish. We add miniature labels, fruit cocktails to choose from. Barbie puts her favorite drinks in a backpack.